Welcome dear students. In our today's class on linear equations, we are going to learn how to solve word equations or word problems based on simple linear equations. So our objective for today's class will be that you will be able to solve word problems based on linear equation. So let's start our today's class. Exercise 12D. Let's take question number 1. 1/5 of a number is 5. Find the number. So here, in this type of word problem questions, you have to understand the given conditions properly, and according to the conditions given, you have to set the correct equation, a linear equation. If you are not able to set the correct linear equation, then your solution will be wrong. Okay, so let us first understand the given condition. What is the given condition? 1/5 of a number. So here we have a fraction. What is that fraction? 1/5 of a number is equal to 5. We don't have that number, so for this type of question, we'll assume the number as any variable. You can assume the number as a, b, c, or d, or x also. So here I have assumed the number to be x. Okay, let the required number be x. Now, according to the question, in short, we can write this as a dot p dot q. According to question, we have what we have 1/5 of a number. How do you write 1/5 of a number? 1 upon 5. 1/5 of a number means multiplied by number, so that is 1 upon 5x, right? So our number is x, so 1/5 of x is how much? 5. This is the required linear equation. Now we need to solve this linear equation, and how do we solve this? We'll cross multiply this 5 with this 5 on the right hand side. So we have x is equal to 5 into 5 is 25. Therefore, the number which we are supposed to find is x, and how much did we get? X as 25. Therefore, the required number is how much? 25. Okay, therefore the required number is 25. Let's take another question. 5 added to twice a whole number gives 35. So how much is added? 5 to how much? To twice a whole number. Okay, so here we don't know the exact number, so we'll assume the number to be x. Okay, now let us set an equation according to the given question. So according to the given question, we have twice a whole number means we have taken number to be x. The twice of our number is 2x. Now to this 2x, how much is added? Being added 5 is being added. So how do we write that? So 2x plus 5. Is that clear, students? Now when 5 is added to twice a whole number, that will give us how much? 35. So 2x plus 5 will be equal to how much? 35. So this way you have to set the right linear equation. Now we all know how to solve this type of equation. So we'll take 5 to the other side. 2x is equal to 35 minus 5, which is equal to 2x equals to 30. Now that means x is equal to 30 over 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 15s are 30. Therefore, the value of x is 15. And what is our x? The required number. Hence, we can write the required number is 15. Is that clear, students? Let's take one more question. Question number 5 from exercise 12D. The difference between a number and 1/4 of itself is 24. Find the number. The difference between what? a number and 1/4 of itself. That means the number itself. Okay, so let us assume the number to be x. This is the number. Now, difference between a number. So x. Okay, according to question, we have x minus 1/4 of itself means 1/4 of x. So 1 upon 4 x. So this is the difference between a number and 1/4 of itself. Is how much? 24. This will be equal to 24. So this is the required linear equation. Now let us solve this. Okay, this includes fraction, and we have learned how to solve linear equation containing fraction. We'll take LCM. LCM will be 4. Now here this x has 1, so 1 4 is a 4. 4 into x is 4x minus x divided by 4 equals to 24. When you solve this, we get 3x upon 4. 4x minus x is 3x upon 4 equals to 24. Now we cross multiply, okay? So this will be x equals to 24 into 4, and we can bring this 3 down, okay, at the same time. So 24 into 4 divided by 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 eights are 24. And how much is left? 8 into 4. Therefore, x is equal to how much? 8 into 4 is 32. Therefore, the required number is how much? 32. Is that clear, students? Let's take another question. Question number 7 from 12D. A number is as much greater than 35 as is less than 53. Find the number. So here we have two conditions. A number is as much greater than 35. So a number is greater than 35. Okay, that is from one condition. And another condition is it is less than 53 also. It is greater than 35, but it is less than 53. And it is said that a number is as much greater than 35 as is less than 53. That means the difference of number and 35 is equal to the difference of number and 53. Okay, so let us assume the number be x. According to question, we have x is greater than 35, so x minus 35. So this will be the difference between the number and 35. Okay, so this difference is as much greater than 35 as is less, so it is equal to 53 minus x, the difference between 53 and x. So this is the required linear equation. A number is as much greater than 35. So this gives that first condition. As is less than 53. As means it is equal. Okay. Less than 53. So 53 minus x. This is the second condition. So we have now linear equation containing variable on both sides, which we have already learned. So we'll take the variable to the left hand side and constant on the right hand side. So this will become x minus x will become plus x. X plus x equals to 53 plus 35, or x plus x is 2x. 53 plus 35 gives us 88, which means x is equal to 88 divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 2 fours are 8. So what is the value of x that we get? 44. And what is this 44? It is the required number. Therefore, the required number is 44. And please do not forget to write your answer in words, because this is word problem. Okay, let's take one last question. The sum of two numbers is 52. The sum of how many numbers? Two numbers is how much? 52. Okay, this is one condition. If one number is thrice the other, so one number is greater than another number by how much? 3 times. Okay, find the number. This is the second condition. So let us assume the number to be x. Here we have two numbers and we are asked to find how both the numbers. Find the numbers. So let the numbers be x. If we take one number as x, according to question, what will be the other number? Thrice the number. If one number is thrice the other number. So if one number is x, another number will be 3x, thrice the number. Is that clear? So this is, you have to understand how to set the numbers. Is that clear? Now once you have set the numbers, now you need to set the linear equation according to the condition given in the question. According to the question given, ATQ, we have sum of two numbers. So sum of two numbers. What are the two numbers? X and 3x. So x plus 3x is how much? Is 52. Is that clear? So how do we solve this? We add x plus 3x equals to 4x equals to 52. Now you must have felt over here, setting the equation is little tricky. Once you set the equation correctly, solution is very easy. Okay, so 4x is equal to 52. That means x is equal to 52 upon 4. So 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. So that means 4 13s are 52. So x is 13. Okay, so but x is our one number, right? And what will be our another number then? Our another number will be 3x. That means 3 into 13, which is equal to 39. So our two numbers are therefore 13 and 39. This way you have to solve word problems on linear equation. This much for today, boys. Until we meet next time, stay safe and do all things well.